Let's take a look at what's happening on silver. Three leading mutual funds, Kotak, UTI and ICICI Pru, have temporarily stopped accepting fresh lump sum investments in their silver ETF fund of funds. This is aimed at protecting investors from inflated silver prices in India's physical market as demand massively outstrips supply. Reportedly, there's an acute shortage of physical silver in the country due to shipping delays and the festive season demand. And that's led to a spike in silver prices in the domestic market. These are now at a huge premium to global rates, a massive 12% against the normal premium of around half a percentage point. So new ETF units can't be created as they need the backing of physical silver. Now this prevents investors, of course, from entering at what seems artificially high prices and subsequently suffering short-term value erosion. But there's also a catch. Existing SIPs remain unaffected and regular investments will go on as usual. Let me go across to Vandana Bharti, Head of Commodity Research at SMC Global Securities. Vandana, thanks for joining us this morning. Everyone's really interested in what's happening to these silver prices. Let me first understand that from you and really what's causing that artificially inflated price level here in the domestic market.
Yeah, hi, Abha. Good morning. Thank you for calling me. And this is the Magic Metals right now, and the platform it was built in last 4-5 years. When we see that the demand was higher and supply side was really very scarce, and you know that this is the metal where we see very less amount of recycling as it is happening in gold and new silver mines. It takes around 7 to 8 years to come into action. So this time the demand from AI hardware, solar, 5G, these are hot demand for silver, and there is no substitute of silver metal in these categories, and it is escalating that ETF buying also. So first I share this stock taking the buy side of this silver ETF, and there was a scarcity, and everywhere you will find the scarcity stocks out of stock. Like if you go to buy for that silver coin and bars in US, in Europe, in China, everywhere. So this is actual supply tightness in the metal. But yes, some speculative buying is there right now, and what is happening is more exciting that now the physical silver, it is $3 premium as compared to the future silver. It is not happening in normal circumstances. So this is supply tightness in silver, and this is the war between buying between physical silver and digital silver, and physical silver is winning anywhere. So investor, they should wait to get normalize this situation. After that, they can get into the silver SIP ETF. And yes, after 2-3 months, we can see that the situation should get normalized. And two things I want to add in that: it is now considering as a strategic metal because many central banks, apart from gold, they are buying silver physical and silver ETF as well. And silver ETF is physically backed, so there is lots of pressure on silver, physical silver. And fourth thing that Trump recently or US recently categorized it as critical minerals. So critical minerals, these are very hot things right now. And whenever you see the name critical minerals, they want to possess it, any country, any country, any company. So there is a huge demand of physical silver, and it is driving up this supersonic speed rally in silver. And in option, we are finding positions near $55.
Okay.
So yes, rally is yet to get overdone, and $55 it is going to be seen soon in the market.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, Vandana, for running us through all the possible scenarios and outlook on silver, as well as really how best to invest in it at this point of time.